In order to cook most of your meals at home, you will need a fully stocked pantry. With a fully stocked pantry, you will be able to budget and plan your meals. By keeping your basic items on hand and only shopping for the main ingredients that your recipe calls for, you will save yourself time and money. Let's look at some things that are always going to be used in basic recipes. Keep these items on hand at all times and keep track of when you run low so they can be added to your weekly list. On hand, you should keep flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and pepper, sugar, light brown sugar and powdered sugar, cornmeal, cornstarch, breadcrumbs or panko, cumin, chili powder, oregano, basil, parsley, and garlic, brown rice, oats, dried beans, think pintos, black beans, and navy beans, and boxed pasta. For liquids, you would need olive oil, vanilla extract, soy sauce, lemon juice, honey or maple syrup, chicken broth, and eggs. And lastly, your canned or jarred goods such as peanut butter, tomato sauce, tomato paste, canned vegetables of your choice, and canned meats like tuna and chicken. Don't feel pressure to buy all of these items at one time. Just add a few items to your weekly list until you have a fully stocked pantry that is user-friendly.